There was this event, and in this event, binigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga tao na magsalita sa unahan, mag-share. So the speaker is listening, and then someone from the crowd, pumunta siya dun sa stage at dun siya nag-share. Sinasabi niya yung buhay niya hanggang sa umabot sa point na nakapagsalita siya ng English. Pero at the end, ang sabi niya sa sarili niya, mahina kasi ako mag-English eh. Minsan di ko maintindihan yung mga bagay, yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao. Kaya mahina rin ako magsalita sa English. Pero biglang kinall out ng speaker yung attention niya dun sa bagay na sinabi niya na yun. And then the speaker asked the crowd, sino ditong naniniwala na magaling siya mag-English? Then all of the people inside the room, inside the hall, raised their hands. Naniniwala na siya ay magaling mag-English. Ngayon, tinanong siya nung speaker, tumingin ka sa paligid mo. Sino yung nakikita mo na nag-disagree na magaling kang mag-English? Tingin siyang ganyan. Hanggang sa na-realize niya, yung tao na hindi nagtaas ng kamay, siya mismo. And this guy is also some of us na maraming taong nakakita ng potential niya pero never niyang pinaniwalaan yung sarili niya. Nakita ng ibang tao yung kaya niyang gawin pero siya mismo, duda siya sa kakayanan niya. Marami sa atin ganyan. At nakakalungkot na sometimes other people can see what you can do, what your potentials are. And yet, ikaw mismo na nandun sa katayuan na yun, hindi mo makita at hindi mo kayang paniwalaan na kaya mo. And this is a wake-up call to each and every one of us. The worst thing you can do to yourself is to be your own critic, to be your own basher, to be your own source of demotivation. After all, yung pangarap mo lang yan eh. Yung gusto mong mangyari, ikaw yung may gusto niyan. So, sino yung magtatrabaho para dyan? Sino yung kailangang maniwala na kaya mong gawin yan? It's not other people, but it is you. Most of the time, nandyan tayo sa ganyang kalagayan na pilit nating sinasaksak sa isipan natin na hindi natin kaya, na hindi tayo magaling. Kaya nagmamanifest, yung belief system natin, yun yung nagiging reason kung bakit yung action natin is parehas. No? If you believe that you cannot do something, you cannot do anything, then you cannot do anything or something. But if you believe that you can do everything, you can do everything. That's why the power of your mindset is very important. Kung marirealize lang natin that every Filipino needs that kind of mindset, there will be a big change individually, or maybe sa community, or even in this country. Marami sa atin, pinaniwalaan na natin at sinaksak na natin sa isip natin na bulok tayo. Hindi tayo marunong. Mahina tayo. Weak. No? Patapon. That's why, yung buhay natin, ganun yung nangyayari. Well, in fact, hindi naman dapat ganun. Because we know that there is something inside us. There is the potential, no, to achieve what we want to achieve. It's only a matter of your mindset. Kasi what you believe is who you will become in the future. That's why if you don't like who you are right now, maybe it's because it's a product of your mindset before. So this is a time to wake up. Set something for you. Set something bigger for you to achieve. And believe that you can achieve it. And it will happen.